Hello guys, today we are going to review the lens holder. So this lens holder comes with 4 parts. You have to do like this phone holder, and this handle has to be connected with the screw. So screw it like this. Okay, so it should be like this, as you can see, exactly like this. Okay, after it is done, get the phone and just hold the phone with the holder and adjust the handle so that it will fit your primary camera. In this case, this is my Realme X2 Pro, so we have to put the hole on top of the main camera, primary camera. Okay, so after that you have to keep the hole as the center of the lens. Okay, so hole has to be in the center. Then after that, rotate the screws to tight this lens holder. Okay, so this is the setup, and this part I will tell you what is the use of this part. After this, you have to just bring your lens and clip you screw it on top of this. Okay, so I am bringing one prosumer macro lens and I am just screwing it on top of this lens holder, and you are good to go. So after screwing it, this will be screwed like this, and your lens will be perfectly in safe condition. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Okay, so this holder is tight, this screw is tight, lens is tight. Now you can shoot. So this is the one prosumer lens. Let me get one more lens. This one is the Kase fisheye 238-degree fisheye lens that will also fit in this. So you just have to screw it on top of this thread. Okay, so after that, this is done. So this is very easy to hold, and this holder will be useful for phones like Realme X, then Poco X2, then OnePlus 7 series, 8 series phone, where the main camera is far away from the top, or this edge or this edge. So you have to get this holder, and with this holder you can fit any of the lenses. Now this thread is 17mm thread, so almost all Apexel lens, prosumer lens and Kase lens are completely compatible. Few lenses are not compatible, like your Apexel 18x zoom lens. So in those cases where the lens will not fit, you will get this. So what you have to do, you have to just fit it. Let me remove these screws. These screws will help you in holding the lens. So if your lens is not fitting in this screw, at that time only you use this thing. So remove all the screws, then tight this part on top of this. Okay, and then if your lens is not fitting, put your lens like this. Okay, so let me get a small lens. Okay, so put your lens on top of this. Okay, and then screw these parts from all the 3 areas. Okay, so that this screw will hold the lens body. Okay, so just tighten these screws. After that, your lens will be perfectly in stable condition inside this holder. So that's the thing. So if your lens is not fitting on top of this main 17mm screw, you can put this one and screw the all 3 parts, so that your lens inside this hole will be in perfect condition. So that's the review of this lens holder. If you want anything or any doubt, please comment in the video description and I will answer it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.